Street in southern Manitoba. Odell Wellis, the mayor of Swaggerville.
Coach Marcel Belfay 4-1 over their last 5 after that 0-2 start.
Let's see what happens here with this game underway. Bye week is over for these two teams. The ball falling in the carpet. And Clarence Denmark on the return. The crowd is loud. It is second down and 15. And that one is intercepted. Picked off Winnipeg. Javon Johnson's got a big return all the way for the Winnipeg touchdown. 66 yards. And Winnipeg strikes first in this game, and wouldn't you know it, it's the defense leading the way.
Well, Rod, can you say deja vu?
And certainly Buck Pierce has big play capability, has shown that time and again. On a reversal, a flea flicker. And a wide open receiver. The crash in, there's the first down. On a big play for the Bombers. Great car on the receiving end. After the flea flicker.
Great car. This is how I like to see Greg Carr used.
Winnipeg threatening. Threatening this time with the offense. And an end zone look. But out of bounds. Far out of bounds. So it'll be third down and a field goal try coming up for Justin Pilardi. From about the 22. Down and up and through. 3 more on the board. Check with him later to see if he was causing the plane to fly away. And his time with the Bombers is another good play there by Chris Williams on the receiving end, so a couple of first downs for the Tiger Cat this game. Flat. And down low. So it's Justin Medlock, and a chip shot for him. Just inside the 30 to get the Ticats on the board. And a 6 receiver set again, and out of shotgun. And the blitz is coming, he just gets it away. And beautifully done for a first down Winnipeg. Pierce was rushed and gets it to Terrence Edwards. Deep in Hamilton territory. One fake right, end zone run. Touchdown, Winnipeg. Clarence Denmark does it. A 17-yard touchdown strike. Buck Pierce to Clarence Denmark. 2nd and 5 now. Right at midfield. Up and down. Coming down with the ball is Aaron Kelly. 3 receivers on the move, looking to the left and coming in with it is Chris Williams, and the touchdown.
If Chris Williams was pushed out by a defender and immediately comes back in, this play is going to be fine. Williams gives it the little out and up on Javon Johnson, gets on top of the receiver. You see Johnson clearly pushes him out. Williams fights right back inbounds immediately. This play stands.
And there's receipts added in this 3rd straight sellout. Finding a man complete. Good yardage. And he has a first down. The sticks will move for the Ticats again. Ball at the Bomber 43. Over the middle. He's got it. Bakari Grant. Touchdown, Hamilton.
That's Bakari Grant's first in the Canadian Football League. 3 young receivers getting it done for the Ticats. Williams, Aaron Kelly, Bakari Grant gets in on the party.
By Winnipeg this season, they've allowed only 13 points in the third quarter all season long. By the way, the best, but what's happening here? A big play to Williams again, inside the 10, drops the ball in the end zone. What's the call? Arms don't go up. Hefty has it. Winnipeg ball. What a way to start the second half. As Hefty goes down on what looked like a Hamilton touchdown to start the second half.
And that ball is out before he's crossed the line. And it sure looks like Joe Lobendon with a great hustle play punched that ball out before the ball breaks the plane. Great call by the officials. They were right on the money.
What a touchdown-saving performance there by Joe Lobendon of the Bombers, who are in the opener back in July 1st against these Blue Bombers. Kevin Glenn has recovered nicely in this game. And another completion to Bakari Grant at a big first down, Ticats, inside Bomber territory. 1st and 10, flag down with the snap into the end zone, and another flag is out, interference.
Pass interference, Winnipeg, number 23, follow 3rd and goal. The ball will be on the 1-yard line. Automatic first down.
Here the Ticats knocking on the door. 1st and goal. Short yardage unit in with Quentin Porter taking it in for the touchdown and giving the Ticats their first lead of this game. Justin Medlock can, although he hasn't been able to tonight. But he does pick up a field goal there, and a long pass here. Carrying it out. Terrence Edwards down near the 20. Another big play for the Bombers at a time when they need it most. At the 12, down by 7. End zone again. Touchdown, Winnipeg. Terrence Edwards.
Terrence Edwards with his 6th touchdown catch of the season.
Second down. 8:39 on the clock. Another deep ball. And coverage is there with Cole Smith, and a flag comes out again. And an interference call, another one going against Hamilton.
And he reacts to Denmark reaching for the ball and then puts his hands on the receiver.
The Bombers answering back to time, now pressing to take the lead yet again. Pierce in trouble though. Bags pressing him. Gets it away and nobody's near. They'll have to settle for a field goal try. Lardy's 2 for 2 in the night. He's just outside the 20-yard line, put down by Renault. And the lead goes back to the Winnipeg Blue Bombers. They're a field goal behind. They have 35 seconds to go. 35 on the clock. A completed pass. Up around the 38.
It's going to make it tough when you're in a no-huddle situation with all the noise. Tough to communicate.
Second and 1. Glenn under pressure. Gets it away. Nearly intercepted again. It's 3rd down and 1. 3rd down. Ball game. Glenn. Taken down. No. Gets it away. And no. And that'll do it. 14 seconds on the clock. And another turnover for the Bombers. This one on downs. Best start since 1984 continues. The Winnipeg Blue Bombers at Paul LaPolice